tutorial we will learn how to update database using PDO. Now first go to read.php page and create a column action. In this column link a page update.php and pass the every row ID to this page. Now on update.php page create a simple HTML form just like for insertion and for getting inserted values and how to update inserted values into database. Now get the row ID in a variable. After getting the row ID, write a simple select query. After that prepare the query. After this bind the parameters, row ID parameter, execute the query, fetch the result, and now after all this get the every column value in a input field by using this method in a value parameters. Now run this page update.php, click on any row, you will get the data of that row. Here name is XC, CXZC, number is this, email is this. Now click on this. Every time when you click on this link, you will get the row ID of the every column. You can see the column in a row ID in a footer area, you can see. Now how to update the database? Now getting these posted values in variable just like this, and write a simple update query, update TVL user set name, pass the placeholder into this and create a where condition. After this prepare the query and bind 4 parameters, 3 for input field, fourth number is for row ID. After that execute the query and press the update button. The code is updated. If you want to change this name, Zondoi record is updated. You can also check the database for Zondoi. Go to read.php page. If you want to refresh this, you can check this name is updated. If you want to change the record of first email ID or update, you want to update this record, click change this number and update. Record is updated. This is all about how to update the database using PDO. In next tutorial we will learn how to delete a record in a database.